Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by confirming the DVR model and current firmware, so you pick the exact update file. This prevents bricking. Once done, download the verified firmware to a separate computer and check the checksum to ensure file integrity. Next, prepare a USB drive or set up an FTP location with the firmware. Make sure the DVR has uninterrupted power and disable auto-record briefly to avoid write conflicts. These first actions get you safely into the update sequence without risking recordings or device stability. You now transfer the firmware to the DVR using USB or FTP and follow the on-screen prompts. This is where attention matters because wrong choices can abort the flash. Once initiated, do not power down the DVR. Uninterrupted voltage keeps the bootloader intact. Monitor the progress bar and system logs to catch errors early, and then allow the device to reboot automatically. After reboot, log back in and verify the firmware version and camera feeds are stable, so you confirm the update succeeded, and cameras are recording correctly. You finalize by restoring recording schedules, network settings, and any configuration backups so the system returns to full operation. This avoids gaps in surveillance. Then test playback, motion detection, and remote access to confirm features work as expected. If something goes wrong, first retry the update using the DVR recovery mode or a different verified firmware file, and check logs for errors. If recovery fails, preserve the unit powered and contact vendor support with the model, serial number, and log exports for assistance.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.